AI-powered cannabis operations, from grow rooms to processing lines and compliance labs. Welcome to Cannabis Tech's monthly Tech Dispatch, your briefing on the technologies reshaping how cannabis businesses operate from seed to sale. This month, we're looking at how artificial intelligence and automation are starting to tie together three critical parts of the value chain: cultivation, processing, and compliance. The common thread is simple but powerful. Operators are moving from gut-feel decisions to data-first systems that are measurable, repeatable, and easier to scale. Let's start in the grow. For years, cultivation success depended on the instincts of a few highly experienced growers. Today, leading operators are pairing that intuition with dense sensor networks and AI-driven controls in modern hybrid greenhouses and indoor farms. Environmental sensors, substrate probes, and imaging systems continuously monitor conditions, creating a live digital layer of the grow. Once that instrumentation is in place, machine learning models can tune irrigation, fertigation, and climate in real time instead of following static recipes. The payoff is tighter control over variability, fewer costly mistakes, and much faster feedback loops when you trial new genetics or adjust standard operating procedures. In short, head growers get better tools, not a replacement for their expertise. Next, let's move to cannabis processing. This is where many operators quietly lose margin through inconsistent decarboxylation, variable extraction yields, and manual handoffs between grinding, extraction, winterization, and formulation. A new wave of automation and AI-assisted orchestration is targeting these bottlenecks. Sensor-rich processing lines monitor temperature, pressure, flow rates, solvent ratios, and even inline potency to generate a live data stream for each batch. When that data feeds into analytics and AI models, processors can adjust parameters on the fly, tighten process windows, and maintain more consistent potency and terpene profiles across runs. Over time, your extraction and refinement workflows become a continuously improving digital playbook rather than a collection of tribal knowledge and one-off settings. Finally, there's compliance and testing. Regulators are tightening rules around contaminants, total THC calculations, and reporting, raising the bar for both labs and licensed operators. Manual workflows and spreadsheet-based tracking struggle to keep pace, especially for multi-state operators juggling multiple regulatory regimes. Modern laboratory information management systems and compliance platforms are stepping in to absorb this complexity. They streamline sample intake, chain of custody, method tracking, result reporting, and state-specific submissions. When integrated with seed-to-sale systems and production data, these tools become more than a way to check the box. They act as active risk management infrastructure, helping you spot issues early, protect your license, and support expansion into new markets. Across all three areas, the pattern is clear. The operators who will win the next cycle in cannabis aren't just installing new hardware or chasing buzzwords. They are building an operating model where data is treated as a primary input, automation handles the repetitive work, and AI helps teams make faster, more informed decisions. For leaders, the mandate is straightforward. Decide where technology can remove the most friction, instrument those parts of the business, and align your teams around shared metrics and a single source of truth. To dive deeper into the tools and examples behind these trends, read the full article in this month's Tech Dispatch on cannabistech.com.